Hello everyone and welcome to Alcalà Technology. A new chapter today, a little bit different one. So I cannot show you the car at the beginning as we start kicking it hard. We also do this kind of project, so we can disassemble a full car and redo, but also with a normal car. Here you can see Range Rover from '95. The customer wanted full paint as the paint was a little bit, deteriorated by the time and the sun and so on. So we are redoing everything. Even you can see here we have now painted for epoxy as it was also rusted. We removed all the black paint from before and now making it again in a proper way. We will also redo the sides. We repair the front bonnet, but you will be seeing in the incoming video that you will see after my speech how we repair, how we repaint. I'm sorry because now we were working on it, so even down here these cars were having a lot of issues of rust. We have already repaired. Now, well, we are continuing sanding, so today we've been sanding during all the day, and yeah, I hope you can enjoy. And if you have any project of this kind that you want new paint, you want just a good looking into the car and you don't want to spend a lot of money because the car doesn't deserve it, actually, yeah, we can do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video and video on. let me explain you, because maybe you're asking what's the black thing that I'm using here. So as you can see here, we have the primer, a very thin one, because as we are repainting the car and we solved some of the issues that the car was having with some putty, we need to put the primer, and we like to put primer in all on top of the paint, as we have a hole, you know, super thin. As you can see in some points, it's super mega thin, like, I don't know how to say it, we need to measure, but super thin. And now what we're gonna do is, we are going step by step, so different grants of sanding, and this is a guide that helps us to go from one to another one. So we ensure that we are doing all the job properly and we are not missing any spots. So as you can see, as far as I'm going, I'm removing all this guide, so I know that this is properly sanded, or it's been sanded on the one I'm using. So well, let's continue. I hope you are enjoying the video, and yeah, and the income video you will see how we finish that. We prepare for painting, we paint the black things, and I see you at the end of the video. Thank you. Hello everyone. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the way and the restoration that we did here, or the other way, face wash, as we say. Yeah, willing to show you more projects in the few weeks. Thank you very much and see you in the next chapters.